Today, we're working on something that most people feel, but very few people openly talk about, which is jealousy. That uncomfortable feeling when someone else has something you want. Maybe it's their income, their lifestyle, their relationship, their success. Whatever it is, jealousy has a way of quietly draining your energy and keeping you stuck. So today, we're going to use EFT tapping to release it at the root. Not just push it down, but actually let it go and replace it with something that genuinely works in your favor. Before we begin, let me quickly walk you through how EFT works. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It combines focused awareness with tapping on specific acupressure points on the body, points connected to your body's meridian system. When you bring your attention to an emotional pattern while tapping, your nervous system begins to settle and the emotional charge around that feeling starts to dissolve. Over time, this allows your brain to update old programming and create a new, healthier response to the things that used to trigger you. Let's go through the tapping points so you can follow along. We start at the karate chop point on the side of the hand. Then we move through the sequence inside of the eyebrow, side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, the chin, the collarbone, under the arm, and the top of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round. And then we begin again at the eyebrow point. You can tap on either side of the body. You can use one hand or two hands. I prefer two hands. And you can tap with two fingers or three fingers, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Now take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale. Close your eyes and bring your mind to whoever or whatever is triggering that jealous feeling right now. Don't push it away. Just let yourself feel it honestly. Where do you feel it in your body? In your chest, your stomach, your jaw? Notice the story running in the background. The part that says it's not fair. The part that wonders why them and not you. The part that quietly questions your own worth. On a scale from 1 to 10, how strong is that feeling right now? Just notice the number. Now take one more slow breath in. Exhale. Now begin tapping on the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling jealous right now, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though someone has something I want, and there's a part of me that resents that, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though this jealousy is here and it doesn't feel good, I choose to take full responsibility for my own well being and accept myself completely. This jealousy, this resentment, someone has something I want, and it feels so unfair. Why them and not me? I've got this story running in my head that it's not right, that somehow that I'm somehow being left behind. All this jealousy, all this envy, all this resentment. I'm choosing to let it go. They have something I want. And on top of not having it, I've been carrying all this jealousy, and that just makes it worse. So I'm releasing this jealousy, letting it go at a cellular level, all the way back through my past. Every time I thought life wasn't fair, every time someone else had what I wanted, every time I felt less than because of it, I'm choosing to release all of that now. I'm letting it go because here's the truth. If I say they shouldn't have it, I'm really saying I shouldn't have it either. But the more I allow it for them, the more I allow it for myself because we are all connected. Their good fortune doesn't take from mine. It actually shows me what's possible. They're showing me what's available, what already exists in this world. And it's available for me too. I'm clearing my doubt about that. I'm releasing my fears about lack. This is an abundant universe. There is more than enough, and what's meant for me cannot miss me. If something went to someone else and it was right for them, then something better is aligned for me. I trust that. I'm releasing this jealousy and choosing to be genuinely happy for them, sharing in their joy, because when I'm full of love and joy, there's simply no room for jealousy. I'm feeling love and joy in my body, in my mind, and in my spirit. I am open to my own abundance. I am open to everything that is meant for me, and I allow it in now. Take a slow breath in, exhale. Close your eyes and check in with that number. Where is it now? That jealousy, that resentment? Notice if it shifted. For most people, it already has. And if any of it remains, that's okay. This is a process, and you can return to this video anytime you need it. What you just did takes real courage. Most people would rather scroll past a feeling like jealousy than actually sit with it and release it. But you showed up, and that matters. Before you move on with your day, drink some water. This kind of inner work shifts your emotional state and your nervous system, and staying hydrated helps your body integrate those changes more fully. If this resonated with you, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what came up for you. And if you want to go even deeper, then make sure to watch my next videos. Because when you're generally doing this work and you're genuinely feeling grateful for everything that you have, jealousy loses its grip completely. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.